Are you facing QuickBooks Error Code 2029 while updating payroll or trying to connect to the internet through QuickBooks? Don't worry, you're not alone, and yes, there's a fix for it. In this video, Dancing Numbers will guide you step by step to understand this error and resolve it for good. What is QuickBooks Error 1-2029? QuickBooks Error 1-2029 is a network timeout error. It pops up when QuickBooks can't connect to its servers, usually during payroll updates or software downloads. This happens when your software can't obtain your IP address, often because of a weak or blocked internet connection. Why does QuickBooks Error 1-2029? Internet connectivity issues, firewall or antivirus blocking, QuickBooks expired, SSL certificate, outdated QuickBooks version. So, why does this happen? Here are the most common reasons: weak or unstable internet connection, firewall or antivirus blocking, QuickBooks, an invalid or expired SSL certificate, or using an outdated version of QuickBooks Desktop. How to fix QuickBooks Error 1-2029. Let's walk through the fixes you can try today. Step 1. Make sure your internet is working smoothly. Visit a few websites or stream a video. If it's unstable, try switching networks or restarting your router. Step 2. Exclude QuickBooks from firewall settings. Sometimes your firewall sees QuickBooks updates as threats. Adjust the settings to allow QuickBooks through. Step 3. Verify your system's date and time. Click the clock on your desktop. Adjust date, time. Set the correct time zone. QuickBooks needs this to sync properly. Step 4. Update QuickBooks. Go to Help. Update QuickBooks Desktop, then download and install the latest patches. Step 5. Reset Google Chrome settings. Go to Chrome Settings. Click Reset Settings. This can resolve SSL or internet issues affecting QuickBooks. Step 6. Verify SSL settings in Chrome. Under Privacy and Security, go to Manage Certificates and check the Trusted Root Certification Authorities tab. QuickBooks Error 2029 may sound scary, but with a few smart steps, you can get back to business in no time. And if you're still stuck, don't worry. Our experts at Dancing Numbers are just a click away to guide you personally.